Next, come to learn to hook the baby elephant's head. It's a loop stitch. Remove the thread by winding it twice around your finger. Wrap around your pinky and index finger, pinch the crochet hook. Insert coil, draw out, wrap the wire and hook out. Pull up the winding and hook out. It's a standing shot, then hook a short needle into the coil. Insert the hook out, wrap the wire and hook out. This is the first short stitch. Make a mark here. So this marker has 2 coils on it. This is where the short needle will be inserted. Then hook 7 short pins into the coil. There are 8 short needles in total. Insert hook out. Hook out by winding the wire. Insert hook out again. Hook out by winding the wire. Insertion hook out by winding the wire. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 short stitches. After the hook, stretch the coil. Move this stitch together. Gently pull this thread. One of the coils will be active. Pull the active coil tight. Pull this thread tight again. The crochet hook is inserted into this stitch that we just had. Remove the marker buckle. Insert it into the first stitch of this marker button. Press the 0 end onto the crochet hook. Hook out by winding the wire. Pull it straight over here. It's a drawing pin. Hook out by winding the wire. It's a standing pin, then hook the second circle. The second loop is hooked over each short needle. 2 short needles. Insertion hook out. It's a short needle. This first short needle and the drawing needle this stitch. The needle was inserted in the same place. Hook another short needle into the same eye. This completes the addition of a short stitch. That's 2 short needles in 1 short needle. There are 8 short pins in this circle. Add 8 short stitches. That's a total of 16 stitches from the end of the loop. If you're not skilled here, you can make a mark on the first short needle. If you get good at it, you don't have to. Marking button. Continue to hook the short stitch of the addition stitch. I'm not going to do that here. Remove the marker buckle. Do a pull insert with this first pin. Straight out by winding the wire. Then, pull back. Then wrap the wire and hook out. It's a standing shot. And then the third lap. The third lap. A short needle. A short stitch of extra stitch. Add a short stitch to another short stitch. Repeat with 1 more short stitch. A short stitch of extra stitch. Follow this pattern and finish the loop. I'm not going to do that here. Finish the third loop. Hook with the first short stitch to make a draw. Hook another standing pin. Then the fourth loop. 3 short needles. 1, 2, 3. Then hook a short pin of the plus pin. Repeat the addition of 3 short stitches and 1 short stitch. Follow this pattern to complete the circle. The fourth loop is over, make a draw with the first short pin. Then hook a standing pin, the fifth circle hooks 4 short stitches and 1 short stitch plus 3. 4. Then hook a short pin of the plus pin. Repeat and follow this pattern all the way through the circle, 4 short stitches and 1 short stitch plus. The fifth loop is over. Then make a draw with the first short stitch, hook another standing pin. And then the sixth round is the hook, hook a short needle over each short needle. There are 36 short stitches. Everyone completes the circle on their own. 6 circle hook finished. Then make a draw with the first short pin, do a standing stitch. And then the pattern of this circle, the 7th circle, is the addition of 5 short pins and 1 short pin. 3, 4, 5. Then add a short stitch to the stitch. Follow this pattern to complete the circle. 5 short stitches and 1 short stitch plus. After the 7th circle, then the 8th circle, make a draw with the first short stitch. The 8th circle is an unadded, unsubtracted hook, hook 1 on each of the short pins. There are 42 short stitches. From lap 8 to lap 12. A total of 5 turns are not added or reduced. Hook short needle. At the end and beginning of every lap, hook a drawing needle and a standing needle. Please complete the 12th circle. I'm not going to do it here.